Today we're using the angular velocity calculator to convert between RPM and radians per second. The calculator has a drop-down menu for input type with 3 options. RPM, which stands for revolutions per minute, rad-ss, which means radians per second, and period in seconds. For this demonstration, I've selected RPM. The input fields include RPM, where you enter your RPM value, rad-s for radians per second value, period in seconds for the time period, and radius for tangential speed calculation, which is optional and measured in meters. Let me show you a worked example. I'll enter 10 in the RPM field and 10 meters in the radius field. After clicking Calculate Angular Velocity, here are our results. The RPM remains 10 centimeters as entered. The rad-s converts to 1.047, showing our angular velocity in radians per second. We get 60 down degrees per second for rotation rate. The Hertz frequency is 0.167 Hz, meaning 0.167 cycles per second. The period shows 6,000 seconds, which is the time for one complete revolution. Finally, the tangential speed calculates to 10.472 meters per second, representing the linear velocity at our 10-meter radius. This tool streamlines angular motion calculations for mechanical design and analysis. Find the link in the description below.